Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. It is day 69 of my daily Spanish lessons. So whoop whoop, shout out to me for staying committed. Okay, for a little bit of basic Spanish today, when you're asking questions. So people want to know how to start a question. Okay, that's valid, basic, yes, very useful. So with questions, we're going to be saying what a lot. What is this? What is that? Okay. K. The word for what? Simple K. K. Where? Donde? Donde? Where is it located? Donde? Where is the store? Donde? You're going to start your sentence off with donde. Who is that? Quien. Quien. Who? Quien. Okay? Who is that? All right. How? Como. How do you do that? How do you know that? Como. Como. Simple. Como. When are they going to arrive? When are they coming? Cuando. Cuando. Okay? So, what? Que. Who? Quien. How? Como. Where? Donde. When? Cuando. All right, that's our little bit of Spanish for today. Keeping it basic. We'll get some sentences with those words later on, maybe this weekend. But that is how you start your questions. So you have what, where, who, how, and why. Got it? And when. So we got it. Practice, 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 everybody. Have a wonderful day. Today is Thursday, so be sure to tune in to a full episode tonight on Ebony Ladies in the DR, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button and your notification bell so that you too can have a little bit of Spanish every day. All right, take care and have a great one.